Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart Money Moves. If you're new here, I'm glad you stopped by. Today, we're diving into one of the most empowering topics: how to start investing as a beginner and grow your wealth in 2025. And here's a surprising fact for you. Over 80% of millionaires started investing early, often with just small amounts. The truth is, you don't need to be rich to begin building your financial future. What you do need is the right knowledge and a simple plan. So, what if I told you that with just 5 smart investment choices, you could set yourself on a steady path toward financial freedom? Stick around because I'm about to share those top 5 beginner-friendly investments that you can start today, plus some resources to help you get started. Let's start with something straightforward but super effective: high-yield savings accounts. Think of this as a safe place to park your emergency fund or savings for short-term goals. Unlike regular savings accounts that offer almost zero interest, high-yield accounts can give you interest rates of 2 to 3% or even higher. Some great options include Ally Bank, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, and American Express National Bank. They all offer no minimum deposit and no monthly fees. Have you ever used a high-yield savings account? How did it work for you? Drop your experience in the comments. I love hearing your stories. Next up, investing in index funds and ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Think of these as your easy button for investing. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, which can be risky, these funds buy a tiny piece of hundreds or thousands of companies at once. That diversification helps protect you from big losses. Some popular platforms to get started include Vanguard, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab. They all offer low-cost index funds and ETFs, making it easy and affordable to build your portfolio. Have you invested in index funds or ETFs? What's been your experience? Share your wins or questions below. I'd love to hear from you. Not sure where to start or don't want to manage your investments day to day? Robo-Advisors are a fantastic solution. These automated platforms create and manage a diversified portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. You answer a few questions, and they do all the heavy lifting. Some of the best robo-advisors include Betterment, Wealthfront, and M1 Finance. They often have low minimum deposits, sometimes as low as $10, and charge very reasonable fees. Would you trust an algorithm to manage your money? Why or why not? Drop your thoughts below. I'm curious. Thinking about real estate but don't have hundreds of thousands to buy a property? That's where real estate crowdfunding platforms come in. You can invest small amounts, sometimes as little as $500, into property projects online. Popular sites include Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and CrowdStreet. They give you access to real estate investments that were once only available to big investors. Would you consider investing in real estate this way? Why or why not? Drop your thoughts below. I want to hear your opinions. And finally, think long-term. Retirement accounts like a 401k or Roth IRA are some of the best ways to grow your wealth over time. They offer tax advantages, like tax-free growth or tax deductions, that boost your savings. If your employer offers a 401k match, definitely contribute enough to get the full match. That's free money. For opening a Roth IRA, check out platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. They all have easy-to-use online accounts with low fees. Are you already contributing to a retirement fund? How has it helped you? Share your story below. I love hearing your journeys. So there you have it. 5 beginner-friendly investments to help you grow your wealth in 2025. Remember, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. Even the biggest investors started with just a little. Which of these options are you most excited to try? Or do you already have an investment you love? Drop your thoughts, questions, or success stories in the comments. I love hearing from you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical investing tips, and share this video with friends who want to start building their wealth too. Let's grow our financial future together. Thanks for watching. Remember, your financial future begins today. See you in the next video.